walking by this building every day and just like being really excited to come in and see what's going on in here and what it looks like. It's really exciting and it's really beautiful, and I get chills every time I walk through the door.
You'll come in through terrazzo floors, and in front of you will be a renovated auditorium with 1,200 seats, brand new seat covers, and it's just a beautiful room with terrific acoustics and should be a centerpiece for performances for anyone living in the Shenandoah Valley.
We have one of the things that I understand is sometimes at a premium here is lots of spaces for students to sit and hang out, as well as faculty offices, state-of-the-art classrooms.
We have the History Studio, which will have this 3D printing, computers. It also has the repurposed vault for a recording studio for podcasts.
Finally, there are 2 new seminar rooms. One is located on the 2nd floor, and then a second one is on the 4th floor inside of the clock that faces the quad. We really see Wilson Hall as something that well prepares the department, the campus, and the community for the 21st century.
We get all these new facilities, all these new amenities. We're now handicap accessible.
Now we have this beautiful building that matches the spirit of our history department.
It's gorgeous, and we are privileged to have it on this beautiful campus. We are hoping that it will be a showcase for everybody, and we welcome everybody to come and join us and see the new Wilson.